In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate invoicing in QuickBooks Self-Employed. To start, open QuickBooks Self-Employed in your browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to look around so you know where banking, settings, and the Create button live. That quick orientation will make the next step smoother. Next, link your bank account. Go to the Banking section and choose Link Account. Follow the prompts from your bank to connect a business-only checking account or the card you use for your work. This connection pulls your transactions into QuickBooks automatically, which helps you match incoming invoice payments later and keeps your books accurate. If you're asked how far back to import, choose a reasonable window that covers your recent activity. Give it a minute to sync before moving on. Now open your settings. Select the Settings menu and click Account and Settings. This area controls what your clients see on your invoices and how your financial details appear. Think of it as the foundation for professional billing. Under Company Info, enter your business details. Type your legal business name or the name you operate under, add your business address, and include a customer-facing email where clients can reply. If you have a logo, upload it so your invoices look on-brand and easy to recognize. Double-check spelling and contact information here. Whatever you save becomes the header on every invoice you send. With that in place, you're ready to create your first invoice. Click the Create icon and choose Invoice. Add your customer's name and, if needed, their email and billing address. Set an invoice date and a due date so expectations are clear. In the line items, describe the service or product, enter the quantity or hours, and confirm the rate. You can add a short message with delivery details, thanks, or payment guidance to reduce back and forth. Preview the invoice to make sure everything looks right. When you're satisfied, send it directly to your client or download a copy to share another way. After it's out the door, QuickBooks tracks its status so you can see what's outstanding and what's paid. As your bank feed updates, match incoming deposits to the right invoice to keep your records clean and your income and expenses clearly separated. That's it. You went from account access to bank linking, dialed in your company details, and created a polished invoice in QuickBooks Self-Employed.